everybody. We are here today. We just came off the 15 down a dirt road. We are on our way to Eddy World in Yermo, and when we happened to notice two huge statues that we were able just to drive our little Kia Soul down here and check it out in person. One is obviously a giant Indian head, and the other one down there, which we'll check out momentarily, looks like he's either in his suit, maybe he's an early explorer, we don't know yet. We're going to go down there and check it out together. But we're assuming that this is part of an art installation here, just one of the many beautiful art installations you see here around the Mojave Desert. It's a glorious 106 today in August. We're having a lot of fun exploring, and just to go to show you, you just never know what you're going to find here in the desert when you get out and drive around. Let's go check it out a little bit more in depth. You'll see how tall it is up here. It's actually quite magnificent, and you can easily see it from Interstate 15, even if you don't take this little side road that we did to get here. Let's walk around and see what it looks like all around. I bet this really looks pretty when it's sunrise and sunset. You know, I'm kind of thinking that perhaps what it reminds me kind of are those mysterious Chinese food dogs that you see in Amboy. And so when we get back home, we're going to do some research and find out about it and solve the mystery. But it's pretty amazing, isn't it? Okay, we're going to walk down here to this other one. And like I said, it's 106 today. It's a beautiful sunny day here in the desert in August. And we're going to walk over there and check that out. This one over here, like I said, I don't know who it is yet, but I can see one of the differences that jump out to me already is that he has a little solar panel attached, so I guess you can see him lit up at nighttime. Let's get a little closer and try to figure out who that might be. Okay guys, we have come over to the statue with the man on top of it, and this one, unlike the Indian head, does have a plaque on it. And in addition, it tells about who the man is and gives a little bit of his background. I shall never yield, even if I am to be beheaded. This is a statue of Li Wang Yang.